Hi students, yes, I hope you completed CW. The first lesson I sent the video file. I hope you finished it. So some grammar parts left after the first lesson. In this class I am going to discuss some grammar activities. What are the activities are given on that topic now I am going to discuss. Yes, look at the grammar parts. Adverbs. Yes, already you know that 90% adverbs end with the ly. That thing already you learned. Okay. Thinking about language. About the language. Is right. See here, adverbs. Adverbs already you know that very well. Adverbs what? It describes a verb, another adverb, another adjective, that is called adverbs. So read the sentence taken from story. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away nearly a month because history sector had blankly out completely. The word complete is an adjective. When you added ly, it becomes an adverb. Yes, here complete is adjective. Complete is what? Adjective. So if you add ly, so it means completely. Completely. What happened? So completely. Yes. Here added what? ly. Ly it is what? Suffix. Okay, automatically it becomes what? Complete. It is a adjective. Now it is a adverb because this word end with ly. That is called adverb. Okay. So that like the word makes the word complete is an adjective. When you added ly to it, it becomes an adverb. It becomes an adverb. Find the sentence in the lesson which have adverbs given in the below. So many adverbs are given: harmfully, sorrowfully, completely, lawfully, carefully, differently, quickly, and nonchalantly. So these are all adverbs. All these are what? Adverbs. See here. Total 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 8 sentences are there. Okay. 8 sentences are there. So you have to choose the correct adverb. Choose the correct adverb. Okay. See here. What happened? First sentence. Look at the first sentence. The reporter must be read dash so that performance can be improved. So in those words, which is correct word you have to select. The reporter must be read so that performance can be improved. So first word is carefully. You have to write it this one. Carefully. What is that? Carefully. Yes. The reporter must be read carefully so that performance can be improved. So let us see second one. At the interview, Samir answered our questions dash shrugging his shoulders. So here, loftily. What is that? Loftily. Third one. The teacher, yes, we all behave dash when you are tired or hungry. Yes, of course, all we have different tired or hungry when differently. When all behave differently. Differently. Is it right? Fourth one. The teacher shook her head dash when Ravi lied to her. So here what happened? Sorrowfully. Sorrowfully. Fifth one. I dash forget about it. So completely. Let's see sixth one. What is that? When I complimented Revati on her progress, he just smiled, dashed and turned away. So nonchalantly. Okay. Seventh one. Look at the seventh one. The president of the company dash Busey will not be able to meet you. So seventh one is what? Harmfully. Eighth one. The finished my work dash so that I could go out to play quickly. Yes. Quickly. So first one carefully, loftily, differently, sorrowfully, completely, nonchalantly, harmfully and quickly. Okay, this like you have to fill the correct adverb in the blank. Let's see what. An adverb describe action. Yes, adverb it describe what? Action. You can form adverbs by adding ly to adjective. Yes, adjective changes adverb by adding ly or y. So for example, complete, completely. That like complete, that is what adjective. Completely, that is adverb. That's like here some examples. For example, angry. An example is there. Angry, it is what? It is an adjective. How you make it adverb? Just you simply angrily. Okay? Angrily, you are right. Yes, automatically it is an adjective. Then here it is an adverb. Angrily. So that like some words are given. Look at angrily. Okay. Second one, happy is adjective. How you write it? Happily. Third one, merely. Fourth one, merely. Merely. Then sleepy. Then fifth one, easily. Sixth one, noisily. Noisily. Seventh one, tiddily. Eighth one, gloomily. So think all these are adjective words. By adding ly, it become a adverb. Angry, angrily. Happy, happily. Then merely. Sleep, sleepy, sleepy, easy, easily, noisy, noisily, tiddy, tiddy, gloomy, gloomy. When your textbook, when your dictionary, just after the word is mentioned. It means N means noun, ADV means adverb, P means preposition, this like is given. Just check. Okay, if you have doubt. Is it understand? Okay. Look at next grammar part. Complete the following conditional sentences. Use the correct form of verb. 5 sentences are there, so you have to write correctly. Let's see. If you don't go to Anusu party tonight, she will be angry. Second one, you have to write first one. How you write it correctly? Yes, future tense and present tense. Both conditions are there. Future tense and present tense. So here, there won't to be any books left unless we preserve them. Yes, you won't learn your lessons if you don't study regularly. Tommy will have an accident unless he drives more slowly. Okay, so that like write some words. If you don't, Anuj, yes, if I don't go to Anu's party tonight, she will be angry. What you have written? She will be angry. First sentence. So if you don't telephone the hotel to order food, that's what's happened. You will miss your evening meal. You will miss your evening meal. Next, third one. Yes. What happened? Unless you promise to write back, dash I shall. See here. I shall or will not write you. Not write you. Fourth one. If she does not play any games, she will become a lazy and unfit. Yes. She will become lazy and unfit. Unfit. See that. Next. Unless that little bird flies away quickly, yes, the cat will pounce, it will jump, pounce on it. Pounce on it. So all these are in present condition. So next part, second part is all in present condition, present tense and future tense. All these are sentences are in future tense. Another sentence is also given. All those are in present tense. Is it understand? It is a conditional. It is called what? Conditional. I hope you understood very well. Then yes, another one grammar topic is there. That is letter writing. That is what? Letter writing. Letter writing, some steps are there, very important steps. You have to follow the steps. Okay. solution, body of letter, closing phrase and signature. Your letter might look at this. Your address, you have to write here date, then addressee, address is address. Your address, first you have to write your address, then to address, then body of letter. What is that? Start like this, dear sir or madam, that is called body of letter. Then your sincerely, it means solution. Then your sign, just like if you look at the letters, already you know that pattern. So how is the letter pattern? Okay. In the next class I will start another new chapter. Until take care.